Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Rochi Barido from Philippines. I'm 30 years old. I am single. I have two sons, 12 years old and 9 years old. I am high school graduate. I have experience as a domestic helper in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia in 4 years. I do Arabic food because my employer is Arabian. And 3 child, 2 sons and 1 daughter. And also cleaning in the house, ironing, wash the clothes, gardening, car washing. Mom and sir, if you hiring me, I will do my responsibility and love and dedication. I hope I will be part of your family. I will treat your family as on my family. I'm happy person and my motivation, honesty, and hardworking. Thank you, mom and sir.